Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start explain about the introduction of our project, let me introduce you to my team. My team consists of five members, including me. My name is Muhammad Ismail Nasrullah bin Halim. My metric number is 2221429. As the first member, Mohammad ZIQRI bin Mohammad ARSHAD with metric number 2225395 as the second member. ZAHIN ZUHAIRI bin Mohammad RAHMAN with metric number 2222789 as third member. AFIQ DANISH bin Mohammad ZULKEFLI with metric number 2228775 as the fourth member. And Mohammad HANIF FAIQ bin MAZLAN with metric number 2221773 as the last member. In this course, we have learned computer level hierarchy, and level 5 is the high level language level. Consists of languages such as Java, C, C++, Pascal, etc. These languages must be translated using either a compiler or an interpreter to a language the machine can understand. Compiled language are translated into assembly language and then assembled into machine code. Therefore, we plan to create this application helps in comprehending the various number systems used in computer architecture, such as binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. In addition, we want to revise our knowledge on what we have learned in Chapter 4 of this course, which is number system. We also want to reflect our understanding on the object-oriented programming course we take this semester by creating this application via coding.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ZIQRI bin Muhammad ARSHAD. So now I will explain about the flowchart of our programs for best converter apps. So first of all, when the program start, there is welcome message that show in user interface. After that, there is input section where user can input the number that valid to convert. After that, user can see the convert button, and when they click the button, it will start the conversion logic uh, f- from base 2 to 8 or 10 or 16. If the user want to convert the number from base 2 or else to another all base, they can click the convert all button and it will convert the number. And then display result of converted number where user can see the result of converted number, and then user can exit the application by click the exit button and the program will end. That's all my explanation for the flowchart of our programs. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad Hanif bin MAZLAN, metric number 2221773. And I want to continue the presentation about how does the app work. First of all, the user must enter any of the base value from base 2, 8, 10, or 16. And then user must convert it to base 2 first. If you already put the value from base 2, so you can already convert to another base, to base 16, to base 8, or to base 10. And then user can also convert all the bases in the same time using the convert all button. This button will help the user to put the any other value and convert it at the same time. And we also add a clear button, which the user can clear any value from the box, from the available box, to zero back, to continue using this app. And lastly, the exit button. The exit button will help the user to exit the app. I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next part.
Uh, right. Yes, mas- Assalamualaikum. My name is AFIQ DANISH bin Mohammad ZULKEFLI. My metric number is 222-8775. So for my part, I will be explaining the user interface component. So there are three components, which is the labels and text fields, buttons, layout management. So for the labels and text field, the labels are used to indicate the type of input expected in corresponding text field. So example given. So in this coding, I don't know if you can see it. There's a label for base 2, which is for binary. And text field base 2, base 8, and base 10 allow user to input values in different bases. Meanwhile, for the buttons are to trigger the conversion action. So later on, someone else will explain the conversion. So for example, we use the base 2 to base 8 convert from binary to octal. So there will be someone else to explain that part, but this is just the user interface component. So basically the layout of the display UI. And for the layout management, the hashbox and vbox are used to organize UI elements horizontally and vertically, creating a structured layout. So moving on to the conversion logic, the conversion method, which is method like convert base 2 to base 8, handle the logic of converting a number from one base to another. The bidirectional capability allows user to convert in both directions. So basically, if you want to convert base 2 to base 8, you can reverse it after you convert the base 2. So you can go both ways from that. So this of course gonna make more flexibility for the display UI. The user can convert between binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal seamless. Real-time update provide instant feedback to user. So this is all from me. Thank you very much. Arigato.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZAHIN ZUHAIRI bin Mohammad. My metric number is 2222789. And in this slide, I want to continue the presentation about the extra or on how we create the project. So basically, we create the project of number system converter by using the Java FX with Maven. And Java FX with Maven is actually a CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is basically a simple design languages, and we use it because it will simplify our process to making the web pages. And the next part is we just use the stage and scene function in the program. So stage is the action is like a window where stage contains all of the objects. And in order you to use it, you just need to call the show method to display the content that you put in the program. And while the scene is actually act as a physical content of JavaFX, and you can create a scene by instantiating the scene class, and also you can adjust all the thing that you put into the program. So basically, we use that as a base to create this system that look like as a calculator, and it provide the user an easier experience to use it. That's all from us. Thank you.
Let's move on to the demonstration part. There are two important rules to use our application. The first rule is if you want to convert other than base 2 to another base one by one, you must convert it to binary first. We set this rule because we want to emphasize that binary is really important. The second rule is if you want to convert a number to all number system, you can do that as long as you enter the correct value. Let me show you what I have explained.